Today we're in Shimokitazawa, which is sort of an up-and-coming, quieter version of Harajuku, known for its vintage shopping, cafes, used music stores, and live music venues. Super excited, so let's go check it out.
Our first stop is Shiro-Hige's cream puff factory. You have to show up really early because they sell these special cream puffs that are shaped like Studio Ghibli's My Neighbor Totoro, the little Totoros, and they're so cute.
Oh, we said it backwards. It's Shiro-Hige's cream puff factory, not hiro-shige.
Hey, we're going off memory, that's pretty close.
Yeah, pretty good.
I'm so excited.
I'm excited. Super great.
It was
presentation.
packed with love.
And you get a little Totoro sticker with it. 160 yen, about $7 right now at the current exchange rate. A little pricey, but I think it's cute enough to justify the expense. This little Totoro is a chestnut cream puff. Look at that little hat. And this one is a chocolate cream Totoro. It's unbelievably cute. I feel bad eating these almost.
As delicious as it looks.
It's really tasty. It's heavy whipping cream with chocolate in it. The browning on the outside complements the cream on the inside perfectly. And they're still chilly because we got them fresh, right out of the case.
So cute, I feel bad eating him. The chocolate is chewy. It's almost like boozy. You have to try it. Want to finish our Totoro cream puffs?
Yeah.
He still has his head intact.
Look at the horror in his eyes.
Poor little dude.
Those cream puffs were delicious, but I need a real meal. So we're headed to a curry shop. They have a special curry. They only make 5 servings of a day. So we're headed there right at opening to make sure we get some.
They're really busy. It's only been open for like 10 minutes and we got the last table.
I know. I mean, it must be good.
I hope.
The styling in this place is really intense. It's very confusing.
It is a little confusing.
I could use a line.
I mean, there's instructions. Choose favorite curry. Let a topping participate as much as desired. If you want more feelings of happiness and healing, more good stimulation, spirit and energy before the public performance, I want to do a space trip. Awaken. Please, by the way, that is easy to eat. I'm really confused. This took a super long time to get, and it's the most expensive meal we've had so far in Tokyo at 4,088 yen. So I'm really hoping this is worth it.
The one I got is extra spicy. It's the most spicy they make. The flavor of the soup is good. It's got like a nice tomato fish sauce flavor to it. It's hardly spicy at all, to be honest. I feel like it's a little overhyped, but it's delicious.
It's really spicy. I don't know what Alan is talking about. I got a chicken curry soup with a little bit of some tempura sweet potato. Well, mine's not fishy at all. I think that place would be pretty good if you were looking for like a slower experience, and so many of Japan's restaurants kind of like get you in, out really quick. Or if you want like something really themed.
If you like it, get there at 11:30. That's when they open.
Yeah, because there's literally a line at the door. Now we're gonna go get coffee. I know we're stacking up a lot of food back to back, but we've been wanting to try a few of these different restaurants, so let's go do that. Alan told me this coffee shop is known for some really cute latte art. Not totally sure what to expect. We just asked him to do art. We're gonna see what we got. I hope it's cute.
It's about $3.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Pretty normal for like a higher end coffee.
It's like, you're right, it's the cutest coffee I've ever seen. More kawaii than 1 cup of coffee should be able to handle.
It's so much better than I could have even asked for. It's so cute. I can't get over it. I'll probably never be over this.
Was it worth the 540 yen.
This kitty alone was worth that. Neko kawaii. Arigatou gozaimasu. This neighborhood is also known for its used clothing stores. I think it's also called recycled or secondhand shops here, and there are tons of them. I mean, there's literally like 3 right here. And Alan wants to look for some new cans, so we're gonna take a look in some of the shops and show you guys.
Yep. So there's like too many of these to really take you to all of them. So I picked a few interesting ones to check out. First off is New York Joe Exchange. It's an old bathhouse that's been converted into a secondhand shop.
Interesting.
I know, second life for secondhand clothes.
Funky.
Yeah, it's very funky. You can really get the bathhousey feel, can't you? I don't think this is quite my style, so we're gonna have to go check out a few other places. This place is called Flamingo, and they do clothing from the 40s to 80s, and it's all American, I guess. So let's see.
This hat's really tickling my fancy.
Glad that they're giving our clothing from America a second life out here.
On to the next spot.
On to the next spot. Our next stop is Toyo Department Store, which is actually supposed to have some pretty cheap clothes in there, and also some cool vintage stuff from the 60s.
I like the open setting. It's interesting.
There's actually a few different stores within this one. That's why it's called a department store.
I see. So used clothing department. So that's interesting. Okay, that used clothing department store was pretty cool.
Yeah, I like the stuff from the 50s.
Yeah, that one was cool. And it was just, I don't know, it was just neat. Each one had its own little vibe. I liked it. Highly recommend if you're doing some thrifting here in Tokyo.
So Brandi, this next one is called Haight and Ashbury.
Okay.
As somebody from the Bay Area, what do you think?
Haight and Ashbury is a little weird. I wonder if it's going to maintain that vibe.
Well, they sell clothes from the 1800s here, so.
I guess they could kind of see better.
We're here for the making of history. This place is closing after 30 years.
Oh, sorry, you're not going to be able to come.
I know. We're so hipster, you can't even go here. Okay, so everything so far has actually been kind of expensive, so I need to go to a real thrift store. I think I found one, so let's go.
So every item is 800 yen?
Or under.
Or under. Oh, they have 100 yen shirts in the front.
I know.
Let's go look, let's go look.
It's the same stuff they sell in all the other stores, but actually cheap.
There you go.
Telephone company, Time Warner Cable Security, Cox.
You Cox. You know Ryan didn't put in that cable box correctly. Okay, so Tokyo has amazing thrifting, it really does, and this is the neighborhood for it if you want to look. It's not the cheapest though. We actually have found some cheaper thrift stores in Ueno, but this is worth poking around. I think we want to check out some of the music shops now though. Alan's struggling with the sizing a little bit here. He's a little too tall for Japan. Yeah, he doesn't even fit in the frame.
Yeah. flash disc range. Mostly soul and R&B and jazz. Not a lot of stuff I was looking for, but
I mean, it was
interesting
kind of old.
nonetheless.
Yeah, old music.
Yeah.
Vinyls. Do
think these-
you want to go?
This place is known for used music.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's in addition to thrift stores. For the San Diego people back at home. A vintage Padres. Been thrifting all day, so for a break from the city, we decided to go to Hanegi Park, which is a nearby local park. Got some nice fall colors, but it's really good because it's a secret spot for seeing the plum blossom or sakura flowers.
In the spring, it's fall right now.
Yeah,
so.
it's the wrong time of year, but the trees here are beautiful nonetheless.
They are. This park is such a nice chill spot to come after being in the hecticness of the city. But we did get invited to go see some friends for dinner, so we're gonna go meet them in Shibuya.
We are with,
I'm Takashi from Japan.
and?
My name is Taki. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll
yeah.
link to them below.
Yeah, exactly. We just had some delicious yakitori.
Yakitori.
Yeah.
And we did a little interview for his YouTube channel.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time.
What's the name of your channel?
Taki de Japón. Taki de Japón is in Spanish, which means like Taki from Japan.
He's Japanese and Peruvian, so believe it or not, he has a Spanish language YouTube channel. And what about your channel?
I make interview videos on YouTube for people who want to come to Japan. Yeah, the traveling or like living as well. And yeah, it's very informative. It's very educational. Yeah, thank you.
So if you're gonna go to Japan, check out
Yes.
their channel.
As a short interview question for you, there's viewers at home. What do you want them to know about Tokyo?
Oh, wearing mask.
And you?
Don't smoke cigarettes on the streets.
Yeah.
Because I see many foreign people who smoke on the street. Like
And don't speak louder
on the train.
on the train or
Yeah.
bus. Yeah.
Well, as a person with asthma and not a fan of loud noises, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
But nobody cares, so you can enjoy it.
That's it.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
And thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
ありがとうございます。